Hey there, how you doing? Welcome to Pluralsight. This is Tim Warner, and this module is entitled The Power Supply. Here's our learning path for the CompTIA A+ 220-901 certification exam. We have 5 courses, beginning with Introduction, Hardware, which is where we are at the moment, Networking, Mobile Devices, and Troubleshooting. Those 4 subjects, from hardware to troubleshooting, map to the CompTIA A+ objectives that you can find at the CompTIA.org website. As a matter of fact, I use CompTIA's published blueprint as the, blueprint for this entire learning path. The hardware course is divided into 15 modules. Let's first see how far we've come up to this point. If you've been following the modules sequentially, you now understand the computer startup process and what BIOS and UEFI mean. We've toured the motherboard, so you're familiar with form factors, connectors, and so forth. You know about random access memory, its installation and upgrade and maintenance, PC expansion cards, the different buses, storage devices, CPUs, cooling, PC connection interfaces is where we just came from. We're concerned with powering all those components here. Then we move on to custom PC configurations, display types, PC connector types, common peripherals, small office, home office, alternatively called SOHO devices, print and image technologies, and finally, printer maintenance. In this module, I want you to understand the power supply unit, or PSU. Everything we've learned thus far sort of brings us to this point, because certainly everything inside your computer's chassis, from the motherboard to the processor to RAM to the expansion bus to the storage subsystem, all requires power. And that power comes indirectly through your mains circuit power in your home or in your building, but directly from the computer's own PSU. By the end of this module, you'll understand the PSU connector types and their accompanying voltages, as well as overall form factors, how a PSU in a desktop computer contrasts with that in a laptop, with that in a rack-mounted server. I think this is some pretty interesting stuff. Then again, I'm an electronics nerd. Let's get started.